Hello, this is Ashraf from Mr. Ashraf Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to model a low poly tree by using skin modifier. Let's go. First, select your mesh, okay, any mesh that you have, and then you alternate M to merge at center. Okay, what left is a single vertex. Select the vertex and then go to front view, press 1 on your numpad. Okay, and then extrude, edit mode, go to extrude, press E, and you extrude. Okay, and we make this as the trunk and the branches. Okay, so extrude, 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 extrude. It's up to you on how your branch looks like. Okay, so from front view, and then you go, and then you see in the perspective view like that. Okay, you can also modify a bit. Maybe you want price. Then we got to add new branches. Okay, let's say this is the basics of your tree. Okay, and then press A, go to modifier, and then you select skin modifier. Okay, right. So now you have this. So you can control the parameters of the skin by controlling the smoothing. There's nothing there, and you can resize the size of this by pressing Ctrl A, not S, but it's Ctrl A. See, Ctrl A. Okay, you see, right, and then you can move. Okay, or you can back. You can go to wireframe. Okay, and then you can grab. You see, grab. You have these additional segments. Okay, Ctrl A. Okay. This one, Ctrl A. G, Ctrl A. Here, and you can control here G, Control A to make the base bigger, but you cannot control R. Okay. A, sorry, Control A. Right, so review. So this is 3. So maybe I'm going to add a bit of, make sure the branches are long enough. Right. Okay. Alright. Okay. So this is 3. Okay. Alright. And then we're going to go to object mode and apply the skin. Okay, apply the skin here. And you also can add another modifier called decimate, okay, to reduce the poly count number. Okay, so let's say now the face count is 194, so you can reduce the number by reducing the ratio. Okay, collapse ratio. Let's say you can see, but see, yeah, the face count is reduced, and this shape also being okay. They can apply. Okay, right. This will help you to reduce the poly count. Next, we're going to create the trees, the leaf. I'm going to use mesh. You can use icosphere, you can use UV sphere. So let's say I'm going to select icosphere. Okay, where's my icosphere? Is there. Okay, so subdivision, just leave it there. G. Put it here first. Okay. So now I'm going to go to edit mode. Okay, okay. I'm going to select this vertex. Okay, and I'm going to turn on this proportional editing. You press O, so you will have this shape. No, you have this function. You press G, and then you can scroll up and scroll down your mouse, so it will influence that. Okay. Press B, so that's G or S. Oh, right. Okay. Turn off G. Then you can duplicate this to be applied to another branches. Shift D. Okay, so make sure that your leaf are right to. Okay, now we have 3. So next is to color the 3. Okay, it's easy. So go to shading here. Okay. Shading. Okay, and then materials. New materials. There you have material slots here. Then surface base color. Okay, for this one, I'm going to create base color for trunk. Rename this as trunk. Then change the base color to brownish. Okay, I'm going to reduce the specular. Okay, right. Then for the tree, for the leaf, sorry, for the leaf, I'm going to add 3 colors. Okay, add new, rename it to green 1. Okay. Sign, reduce the specular. Okay, and another green. Select this, press L, new green, new green 2, which is the green will be quite dark. Sign. Okay, and then this one I will use this green 1 sign. This one I will be using green 2 sign. Okay, so now we have low poly tree here, but I don't like how it's specular, so we give it specular 0. Right, so now I have a tree, and then shift A, match plane, so create plane, and give this plane new yellowish, turn off the specular, and then you set your camera, click on your camera, you can go back to your camera, and then you press N to open the view tab, lock the camera to view, and then you can scroll up to zoom out and change the direction of the camera. Okay, alright. Once you have model and you have the colors, and then next is to set the lighting. Alright, select the lamp and you change from point or area, and I'm going to use sun. So I'm going to use sun, and the color of the sun I remain as white, but I'm going to go a bit white here. Okay, and then the strength, if you're using sun, you can use around 3.5 or 5.5, or even you can go for 10. Okay, but I'm going to use around, say, 8 at the moment. Okay, cool, so good. So shadow, make sure you turn on the shadow if you want the shadow effect. The rest just leave it as default. Okay, and then yeah, you can select your lamp, and you can move, you change the direction of the lamp, you can rotate the lamps, you can change the lamps locations. Okay, it depends on you. Okay, so I will leave it there, and next is, okay, I'm going to select this tree, right click and join. Okay, so we group in one group, tree. Okay, okay, and then I'm going to adjust the camera, and I'm going to duplicate this tree, shift D. Okay, I'm going to move and rotate this, so I have 2 trees. This one, I have 2 trees here, and for this one, for this tree, I will go to shade smooth, so we smooth the polygons here on the tree. So this one is smooth, this one is just remain shade flat. Okay, so now you can go render. Okay, render image. There you go, low poly tree. Okay, this one with shade smooth, this one with shade flat. Okay, that's it. Okay, thanks for watching. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.